Okay everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn Kung Fu Wushu bow staff spinning to develop our wrist flexibility, coordination and strength. Once we get used to this move, we can add some strikes. Become a combo. Alright, now let us start. So first, we'll use our left hand, hold our staff. Remember, use your index finger and thumb lock the staff. The rest of the fingers just to support. Okay? Now, let's spin. There's one. First move. Two, use your right hand, grab your staff. Close to your left hand. Okay? Don't make too much gap like this. A little bit gap, that's fine. And then you turn. Okay? Turn. See? If you hold too tight, your staff cannot spin anymore. If you let go of those three fingers, you can spin a bit more like this. See? And we stop like this. Okay, we stop like this. And then left hand. One. Right. Two. Spin a bit more like this. First. Again. Pa. Pa. Slowly. Pa. Okay, now those two moves come back together. We don't stop here anymore. So one. There's one. Two. Flow. One. Two. See? That's it. We do slowly. Relax your wrist. Okay? And stop like this. Alright. Now let us do 4 times in a row. Okay, 4 times in a row. Alright, ready? Relax your wrist. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We stop. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Sorry. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's do a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. One more turn. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can add a move to throw our staff in the air. Let our staff spin in the air. And you grab it. Okay? You can see? Like this. I don't throw too high, okay? Otherwise you cannot see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin again. 3, 4. Grab. Slowly, can you see? Through and you grab. You don't stop your staff spinning like this. You don't do like this, okay? You throw your staff in the air like this, let you stop spinning, and then you grab like this. Flow with the energy, okay? So now one more time. 1, 2, we'll do slowly. 3, 4, throw, grab. 1, 2, good. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, spin. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can spin one circle first in the air. One circle. Through one circle like this. 1 or 2 circles, depends on you, okay? Or 3. You have to throw very high. For beginners, I suggest you to spin, throw your stuff in the air, spin one circle will be enough, okay? So now try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ha. And stop. Like this. The other hand, press down. Finish. Okay. Now we're gonna combine those moves together. We practice twice more. Once we get used to it, we can add some stretch. Okay? Some stretch. Relax your wrist. Relax your wrist. Give a massage. Okay, now let's do together. We're doing speed up. Okay, once you get used to it, you can speed up. Ready? Relax, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4 through. Grab. 1, 2, 3, 4 through, and grab. And stop. Okay, relax your wrist again, and then we'll do one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 through. Grab. 1, 2, 3, 4 through. Grab and stop. Okay, now let us add a combination. So we do this move. 1, 2, 3, 4 through in the air, and we grab. Pa, like this. And stomp your foot, stomp, and then stomp your feet. Push. Okay, push like this. Push. Once you've done the push, we can stand bit higher with the both stance, and then you turn to the left. Grab your staff. Straight. Straight. Leg straight. Okay. And then back to the right, straight to the right, like this. Alright, and then you finish like this. Grab your stuff, finish, bring your chi back. Ha. Okay, let's do one more time in slow motion. So we'll do slowly. This is 1, 2, 3, and for your third grip. Press down with your staff. Pa. Stomp your feet. Push. Turn to the left. Straight. Turn to the right. Straight. Finish. Bring your chi back. Okay, now let us do a bit faster, not too fast, okay? When you're ready, relax your wrist. Let's give a go. Let's do together. We'll do slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, through, grab. Stomp your foot. Push. Turn. The other way. Finish. Bring your energy back. Okay, have a relax your wrist. We'll do one last time. Okay, one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, third grip. Sorry, I added a bit of extra spinning before, like this. Okay, if you don't want to add the extra spin, you can just do like this. Grab and finish. With the extra spin, will be like this. See which one is suitable for you. Okay? Alright everyone, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life.